Hey there, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to share a video with you about your volume controls on your LS430. If they're not working, there's a very simple procedure you can follow to see if you can get them to work. What you want to do is you want to turn your key to the accessory position. That's the first turn. And once you do that, you have 30 seconds to complete these steps. So you turn it to accessory. You want to come over here to your mode button and hold that down for 10 seconds. After that, you want to press this button 3 times. Press this button 3 times. And then finally you turn the ignition to the on position and then off. Now your volume buttons may actually work. This worked for me. I had to do it a couple of times. But again, make sure you're doing this within 30 seconds. And then I'm going to test my volume buttons now. So you see my volume now is at 20. Let's see if these buttons work. Yep. Sure enough, it's going up. See? Move it up. It works when I push down. So it works both ways. And it also has a little set button here. And you can just set that to any volume position you prefer. I set mine to 10, which is a low volume setting. So now I've got it at 20. Now if I hit the set button, see, it goes down to 10. And the way you can set this is just get it to whatever volume level you want it at and just hold the set button down until you hear the beeps. Be like this. You hear that beep. My volume buttons never worked, and I thought there was just something broken with the switch, but this is a simple procedure you can use to try and reset them and avoid a lot of headaches. Otherwise, like trying to take a switch out and clean it and do all this other stuff or pull fuses or do anything. So this is pretty much the first step I would try. Also read that if the volume button up makes the volume go down and the volume button down makes the volume go up, that this also can fix that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. You know when I drop more content. I got a lot of videos on the LS430 now. I've owned this car for 6 years about, and I learned a lot about this car through the Lexus LS430 Owners Club on Facebook and different posts on YouTube. And I'm trying to share the knowledge I've gained with other people so that this can help you. You know, if you have one of these cars, they're great cars, and there's a lot to know about them and there's a lot to do with them. So I'm probably not done with the videos. I've actually got to do the mirror switch here. I ripped mine out because it wasn't working. So I've got one on order from eBay. Once I get that, I'm probably going to do that video. And then I've also noticed the steering wheel's cracked, so there'll be a video forthcoming to show you how to refinish this real nice, get it smooth again.
Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.